Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Art Joy. Because most of you ask me what kind of paper I use for 3D modular origami, I will explain to you everything you need to know to make the best pieces for your origami projects. What I use is A4 matte paper. Is 120 grams in different colors. I can show you. There you go. We've got such beautiful colors. If you want the paper I use, you can find it in the description and you can buy it from there. It's the same one as I have here. Now I will show you the easiest way I do the pieces. So we take the paper, we fold it in half, okay. To cut the paper I use the knife, just like this. Now you take this half and you fold it again. And again. And the last time. So, in the end, you should have 16 of these. I will just cut a few more. And now I'll show you in the end you should have 16 small pieces from one A4 paper, yeah? So 1, 2, I already cut them. It should look like this, yeah? There we go. Now we have 16 small pieces from one A4 paper. Okay. Now we need to fold the pieces. Okay, let's take all this together. I'll show you the easiest way I do the pieces. Are the best ones for me, so hopefully will be good for you as well. So we fold it in half. Yep. And then I just make like a curve shape here with my finger. There you go. And now we fold it in half again. Now we take this half, make it like a triangle, and the other one the same. Now we open it, we fold the corners, and then fold it like this. We do the same with the other side. There we go. Now fold it back. So we've got a nice piece. And I do recommend you to keep the pieces one in one. So we take one piece and another one, and we put them together. Okay. So like this, if you keep them all together, they take a nice shape. See the shape here? All of them, they have a nice shape. And they will be ready for you to use when you want to make your first model. Okay? So all the same. All are the same. I've got many colors here. There you go. Yellow and blue. So when you take them out, if you keep them like this, when you take them out, they have such a nice shape like this. So they won't take a different shape than this, and will be really easy for you to make everything you need. Oh, sorry. Like that. Okay. Hope this information will help you in the future. Good luck and have fun. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my YouTube channel. Till next time, take care and stay safe. Bye!